Hello everybody and good morning yet again. Today is day 2. We're out in the Model X, got the trailer. We're heading down to pick up some patio furniture way down in Boiling Springs, South Carolina today. So let's get going. We start today's adventure almost fully charged, about 80% at 244 miles of range. We're heading out again today. It's Saturday. And it's 8:21. First stop, we're heading to Granny's. Looks like everybody's still sleeping Saturday morning. Must have been a heck of a Friday night. Just getting on Interstate 26 eastbound here now. Just up on the interstate here now. You're looking right into the sun this morning. With my dirty windows on the inside, that is.
Right onto Highway 292.
Yep, just off here on Highway 292. On the way to Inman. Here's the railroad that comes down from the Saluda Junction, and we parked right across the street here from Granny's Kitchen in this parking lot, which is part what's going on. And here we are, on to the next place. Wow, what a great breakfast. Navigate to Big Lots. We're heading back to the Big Lots store down in Spartanburg. And the reason we're doing that is we need to pick up something we forgot to pick up yesterday. And then on to Lowe's here. All right, look at that. Wow, look at all the Big Lots stores. We're going down here to A. So we got to get back on the interstate and go down to A. So hit A, and it then calculates where we are and how we get there. So there's our path. So let's hit the road. We're now on North Main Street here, going through downtown Inman. I think you guys have seen this before, but we're coming from a different angle here now.
In 500 feet, turn left to stay on East Main Street. Now turn left to stay on East Main Street.
Yeah, we're going to go straight here, only because this ends up dead-ending into Highway 176, which is ultimately where we're going to go. There, nav just changed up here. Some of the places along Main Street here, kind of cool. Sun's in the right location to properly light it. Bronco Mexican restaurant. Haven't tried that.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Asheville Highway.
Yep, and just like that, we're on Highway 176, or Asheville Highway.
Now turn left onto Asheville Highway.
You don't see that very often. Boiled peanut stand. That's a real staple here in the South. Folks love boiled peanuts. They do. All right, we're on 176, heading southeast here now. Now there is a fixer-upper for you. We're back on eastbound 26 here now. Got 6 miles to go to our exit, so we going to Big Lots next. We are back at the Big Lots store. We were here yesterday picking up the beds. We forgot a few things. Sue's inside picking up something that she forgot. While we were loading yesterday, Blake came up introduced himself, talked about Teslas. He drove a Model 3 and a Model Y in Charlotte. And my suggestion, Blake, is that you pick a Model Y. You won't be sorry having a little extra room, and it drives very, very much like a Model 3. All right, so once we get this done, we're on to the next place. Sue just came back with a few goodies. Worked out well. Now we're on the way to Sam's Club across the highway here. Yeah, back at the Sam's gas station. Some people waiting. I think we'll park out where we did yesterday. Big parking lot out here. Yeah, we said we're going to get a couple things. About 15 boxes of flooring. Sue wants to put something down on the concrete floor in the sunroom now. Anyway, there you go. We got some yard lights and a Keurig coffee machine for the little place. That's what happens when you clean up. You make more space, and now you got more stuff to do. And it keeps growing. Look at this. Wow. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Well, here you go. The Sam supercharger. They plug in all these motorized shopping carts. Sam supercharger. 15 boxes of flooring. And yes, they are very heavy. I mounted them here in the bottom. Should be okay. I'll try not to hot rod it. Okay, we're on the way to Lowe's now. That's why everybody's waiting in line. It's $3.03 per gallon versus $3.27. So I guess it's 20 cents a gallon. I guess it's worth waiting a half an hour or 40 minutes to get fuel. Here's the current stats. 28 miles driven so far today, 15 kilowatt hours used, an average of 547. All right, here we are. Yep, more people waiting in line. I guess it's about 20 cents per gallon discount. But I don't know about waiting in line for a half an hour or whatever for $2 or $3 of discount. I guess if you have nothing better to do. All right, we're on 26 westbound here now. Now with a little weight in the trailer, the tires don't mean anything much being out of balance. I can feel them a little bit, but I think I put probably 300 pounds, 400 pounds of flooring in the back. We're good now. We're going to transition here according to the nav over onto highway or Interstate 85, that is, for a short jaunt. This is Interstate 85 North. We'll get on here for a little bit and then get back off. And just like that. Trailer's looking happy back there. Yeah, it's sucking it now. 753 watt hours per mile, 70 miles an hour. It'll stabilize though down a little bit. We had to accelerate to get up to speed here. 60 kilowatts of charge there. Look at this, 50. Just taking my foot off the accelerator. No use wasting that in heat in the brakes. We're getting close here now. We're in the city of Boiling Springs, South Carolina. Got another 7/10 of a mile to Lowe's. And we should have things ready to go. We shouldn't have to do much shopping. I did it online and set it up for pickup. So we'll see how it goes here. Great day. Starting to warm up. It's 50 degrees. It's pretty nice. Model X is handling that weight of the 15 boxes of flooring. So far so good. Uh-oh. We're heading north here now, and we're on Highway 9. We're going to take this little detour. I don't think I've ever driven down this road. We're going to check it out here and see what's going on. It's kind of a back road to the lake here. Should be interesting. It's all in the spirit of heading to the house. Make a little detour here. We're gonna head over left here at Fingerville and then head up Highway 11. See something a little different, I think. We're now on Highway 11. So we're gonna curve around and then we'll head in the general direction of the house here. Boys, there's a dead something there that they're trying to eat. Just entering the town of New Prospect.
In 1 mile, turn right onto North Pacolet Road. Then bear left to stay on North Pacolet Road. Now turn right onto North Pacolet Road.
Oh, good. Well, so much for that. I'm going to have to turn around now, I think, unless I can kind of cross here. Yeah, there's a road right coming up.
So probably give me another road.
Right here. Okay, good. Hey, we're turning on to Short Road. It's okay. I missed North Pacolet Road and have.
Now turn left onto North Pacolet Road.
There you go. 127 miles of range. We drove 61 miles, 34 kilowatt hours used, and average of 549 watt hours per mile. If you like today's video, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please go ahead and subscribe. Pass my videos on to your friends. I'm pretty sure they'd like to see them as well. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.